Now, series problem. Time taken by a body to slide down on a rough inclined plane of inclination theta is n times the time taken to slide down on an inclined plane but of smooth. Right. So first case they given as a rough, second case they given as smooth. So smooth means no friction. Wherever the mu is there and mu term will make it as a zero we need to place. Now, so what they given now here? So they given time taken to slide down or up or down? Down. So that means we are talking completely motion of a body down case, keep in mind. And down case, what the acceleration? Yes, acceleration formula A down. And which is equal to what you tell me now? G into what tell me now? Yes, sine theta minus mu cos theta. So this is the acceleration for in case of what tell me now here? Rough inclined plane. Rough inclined plane. Here we have rough inclined plane and what else they given now? Smooth inclined plane also given. So for in case of smooth case, what is the acceleration now? Same thing, A down. So what will be the acceleration will come? For smooth case, what we can consider, you tell me now? So mu value 0. So that is G into, yes, mu value 0. Then this is in case of what, tell me now? Smooth inclined plane now. This is the acceleration for smooth inclined plane. Right. So we need to find out what, tell me now, they given as a time taken in the rough. Time taken in the rough, they given us how much they given now here? N times the time taken to move in a smooth. So time taken for rough is equal to n times the time taken to move on a smooth. This we have to use it now here. And what the time formula we have seen now here? Time to slide down, which is equal to square root of, that is 2L by A. So corresponding A we have to use it. If they are asking the rough inclined plane, yes, now corresponding A, smooth inclined plane, A we have to use it. Now, so what I can write now here in this case. Now they given TR is equal to N times of TS. So that means what, tell me now? This is square root of, that is 2L by, in this case, what the A had to use now here? In case of rough case now, rough case A value how much? G into what, tell me now? Sine theta minus mu cos theta. Sine theta minus mu cos theta. And which is equal to what I can say now? N into, again, TS means what, tell me now? Square root of same inclined plane. The only difference is what, tell me now? Smooth they are saying. Smooth case, what the A value, tell me now? G sine theta. And do simplify, get this value. Root 2L cancel, G also will get cancelled. And squaring on both sides. So, what will come here? 1 by sine theta minus mu cos theta. and which is equal to what will be now here 1 by n square into 1 by sine theta. Cross multiply, get the value of mu from this equation. So we'll come it as what tell me now? This is sine theta minus mu cos theta, which is equal to n square into sine theta. Yes, bring to here. So then sine theta we have taken common. Then that is 1 minus n square equal to mu cos theta. So we need to get the mu value. Mu is equal to yeah 1 minus n square only we are getting now. 1 minus n square into tan theta. Check it. Why again 1 more n square? So here this is 1 by this. When you have multiplied, this is 1 by n or n here. So we have any cross multiplied, any mistake we did. So here, yeah, so here we wrote it as 1 by n square we wrote. Now this is n square only, right? This is n square. Yeah, so this step is wrong. I wrote 1 by n I wrote. Not 1 by n, just, yeah, not 1 by n only. So this will be n square. Okay. So now simplify now here. This is n square into sine theta minus mu n square into cos theta, which is equal to sine theta. So now n square minus 1 into sine theta, and which is equal to mu n square into cos theta. So then mu value will come to be what, tell me now, n square minus 1 by n square into tan theta. This is mu value.